Hi there, this is Abhishek, and in this video I will talk about how you can read some specific contents from your Google Spreadsheets. So in my previous videos I have already talked about how you can register a sheet, how you can access different sheets within worksheet, and then how you can read the entire data of a particular sheet within the Google Spreadsheet. In this video we will look at one level down where within the worksheet, we don't want to read the entire data, but we want to read some specific rows, columns, or a range like we usually specify within the Microsoft Excel. So let's see how we can do that. I already have empty cards gs_sheet registered with me, so I will not do it again. But if you're not sure how I have done it, then I would strongly suggest you look at couple of my starting videos related to Google Spreadsheets where I've talked about how you can register the sheet and get the data into the R. So empty cars_gs_sheet is the sheet that we have registered for empty cars spreadsheet, which is there in my Google account. And now I want to read some specific, let's say, rows in this case. So gs_read is the command that we usually use, and first it's asked about the registered sheet, which is empty cars_gs_sheet, and then worksheet. I can specify either one as a first worksheet, or I can specify the name to give a name of a specific worksheet. And then with the help of range argument, which I think is mentioned there, but for some reason you are not able to see, let me make it more meaningful by putting some enters over here and now write it. So once I hit the range and now try to show it to you by using row_cell_rows, that's the one I was searching for, and then I can specify the range that, let's say, I want 1 to 5 rows, and once I hit the enter, it says it is accessing, reading the data, downloading it, and then it has shown me the 5 rows, 1 to 5. The first row is column 1, 2, second row is your data, third, fourth, second, third, and fourth finally. So that's how you can read all the columns but some specific rows. But as you could see, you can also specify cell_calls, and in this case it will show only 5 columns, and here in this case 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different columns that you can get it. Apart from this, you don't need to specify like cell rows or cell columns. You can also specify the range like A1 to, let's say, D15 here in this case. Once you do that, so basically the idea is to specify this in a double quotes. So that's the adjustment we need to do, and now we can get it. So the range that we have specified, we are getting the data. In that way, you don't have to get the entire data within this object, or if you want to store it, but if you want some specific rows and columns, then you can store it. Apart from that, even if you want to do the further manipulation, then first of all you can store the data here in the R, and then add the column or remove the column from your existing data R object for doing the further massaging. So that's pretty much all I wanted to discuss about how you can get the custom rows, columns, or a specific range here in the R directly from your Google Spreadsheets. And I'll meet you in the new video with a new topic.